The opportunity in Mississippi gave me a chance to work with private sector individuals as well as people like Governor Wegner and a foundation. And it was very clear that Governor Wegner and Dr. Penick and the people who were at the leadership of the foundation were serious about making a difference and would put the resources and support behind this that was necessary. And so fortunately, my wife and 3-year-old daughter were willing to roll the dice with me. We decided that we'd give it 3 to 5 years, and 21 years later, so far so good.
I worked with Bill back in 1995 to organize Hope Community Credit Union. And then around 2002, the Enterprise Corporation of the Delta, which Bill was CEO at, became the sponsoring organization for the credit union. Since then, it's grown from $2 million to $175 million, from one office to 17 offices in 4 states with over 30,000 members. Hope has a mortgage loan portfolio with a charge-off ratio of less than 0.5%. 91% of the mortgage loans in that portfolio were made to first-time home buyers, and the large majority of those were minorities and females, and all of them had average incomes of less than $40,000.
Bill Bynum is probably the strongest and steadiest mind in low-income development that I've ever known. He raises millions of dollars in capital and keeps on, doesn't stop. He knows how much need we have here in the Mid-South. He's not in this to build a career, he's in this to build a region. And we're very lucky to have him.
Bill Bynum is one of the most valuable citizens that we have, a man who has a vision and who has the unique capacity to go out and make things happen. He has been invaluable to improving the quality of life of so many people in this region, and we will always be indebted to him for coming here and showing us the way out of poverty for so many people.
It has been something that has helped the town sustain instead of getting smaller. So many of these little towns have got smaller and lost all of their financial institutions and their industry. And that was kind of a stabilizing thing for Utica. We lost the financial institution, but we got a replacement through Hope.
We had a bank in Moorhead for years, but in the smaller communities, they just didn't offer very much. We didn't even have an ATM machine. You had to drive 15, 20 miles to Leland, to the nearest bigger location, to do a loan or even open up an account. So Hope was a glimmer of hope to our community. It brought a positive atmosphere, you know. I think what he's doing is not for selfish reasons, and I think that's applaudable. So I just say, go ahead on, Mr. Bynum. Just keep on going.
We had a financial institution, and they decided to close some of the small municipalities in the Delta area. This was an overwhelming, big adjustment for the citizens of Itta Bena. And as a result, we invited Mr. Bynum to come and just kind of talk to the citizens and let them know Hope was moving in the same building with all of the amenities to go along with it. They're in the process of doing financial literacy programs, which is another blessing, because many of our citizens have purchased homes and they didn't have that financial background. Many of our citizens have serious problems with their credit. And so Hope will be able to help them, to educate them in terms of how to manage their income. I almost started calling him Dr. Bynum because he has such interest in making things available to our citizens.
The McNulty Prize is an award given by the Aspen Institute that is for organizations that are focused on improving the lives of disadvantaged households, disadvantaged individuals, disadvantaged communities. It's a global prize. So when Bill was nominated for that, for the work that Hope does, he was competing with nominees that were from around the world. So to win that prize was something that was really tremendous in the sense of it was a kind of a validation for the work that we've done over the past 20 years.
Congratulations, Bill, on this award for bringing hope to those who truly need it. Your efforts to bring financial services to underprivileged and underserved populations, advocacy for the credit union movement, an unwavering commitment to the credit union principle of people helping people is truly admirable.
To build a self-image and this I am doing this, all comes from hope. And it comes from Bill's vision of going beyond just making loans, but building self-confidence and giving people, how fitting the word is, hope for the future. Only in being able to instill in the minds and hearts of people who are at the poverty level to know that there is a chance for them to improve life and to be a part of the American dream, to build, to hope, and to do. Thank you, Bill Bynum.
Ladies and gentlemen, the National Credit Union Foundation is proud to honor William J. Bynum with the 2016 Herb Wegner Memorial Award for Outstanding Individual Achievement.